Wanna know how to report bugs in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is simply open up your Mobile Legends game, and once you're there, make sure you are on the main menu like this. Now, once you're under the main menu, on the top left, you can see this small headset icon that should be on the right side of your profile right here. Just simply select it. Now, once you've done that, on an external Mobile Legends browser should open, which should direct you to customer services. Now, right here you can see various options and various problems that you can solve, or you can just type in your content. So you can just simply report a bug or anything that happened. Make sure to be specific. So once you've done that, you can just simply send it, and it will answer you in a few minutes or just instantly, as it's a bot. And that's it. After that is done, they will be getting your solution, or they will find the causative problems of it as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.